What's up, guys? I got a cool video for y'all today. The beginning of it's kind of slow, so just work through it. If you want to skip it, you can. I was cleaning up out where I shoot at. People have just trashed that fucking area, so that's what the beginning of the video is. Just me. Well, I didn't film myself cleaning it up, showing the pile and just burning it. I couldn't haul it off, which I say in the video. I could not haul it off. If I'd put it in the bed of my truck and drove out of there to the dump, by the time I got to the dump, half that shit would have been blown out of my truck bed. So I did the best that I could with it, but we'll go ahead and get to the video. So all this bullshit was out here in the spot that I normally shoot at, right? Still a bunch of shit laying around. Most of it was strewn out through here. So we cleaned most of it up. I'm gonna burn it now because I really don't have anything else to do with it. If I throw it in the bed of my truck, it's just gonna fucking blow out. So I'm gonna burn it to get rid of it. This bottle's popping. Keep it going. I gotta fill her back up. I have a flamethrower, by the way. I guess that wasn't noticeable. Hot. Fucking plastic won't melt. Probably wet. I hope the cops come out here and see this shit. They're like, what are you fucking doing? And they're like, well, I picked up all this bullshit from out in the fucking woods. People are jackassing. And I can't really haul it off in my truck because it's just all gonna fucking blow out. I'm gonna burn what I fucking can to at least make it look nice out here again. It's burning good, that's good. Alright, got some cool shit out here today. You've probably already seen the flamethrower. That was my first video of it. Well, what you already know, I had to clean up all these people's disgusting shit that they threw everywhere and got rid of it. I couldn't haul it off because it would have blown out of the bed of my truck. But we got a turkey, pumpkin, and 2 sweet potatoes, and 5 pounds of boom boom shit. So probably gonna load about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds inside this motherfucker and blow it up. Not sure what I'll shoot with. I'll probably shoot it with the rifle. But I got the shotgun out too. I'll probably shoot a pumpkin with the shotgun or sweet potatoes. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's already going, so. Alright, so here's the prepping shit. I gotta cut this fucker open. And it's pretty thawed out and juicy. I hope it doesn't stink. It's been cold, so it shouldn't stink. Oh,
this is so disgusting.
It looks slimy.
Oh, there's so much in there.
That's definitely not good.
You.
God. Pick it up. Your best way to pick it up would probably be the plastic things at the legs.
But it won't drain out from the inside. Oh fuck! Now Ew. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh my god. Okay, drain out, Mr. Turkey.
Finger the turkey now.
God, this is disgusting. Oh yeah, that's gnarly. It stinks. Okay, she's pretty drained out. Oh God, that's disgusting. I don't have anything out here to wash my hands with. Okay, we'll be back. Righty roos, so we got the turkey prepped, and somebody was so kind to leave more garbage down here, but somewhat in my advantage because it now gave me a platform to shoot on. I don't know what this is going to do to it. I'm kind of expecting it to just blow this open and not really do anything down here, or it might fucking launch it off into nothingness. I don't know, so we'll figure out. We'll see what it does. Oh, it stinks down here.
Dude, it still got turkey inside of it.
Does it?
Oh. Dude,
Oh my
it smells
God.
like fucking burnt turkey.
Put that shit down. Oh my God, it stinks. Holy shit, that's horrible.
That's boiled turkey for you.
I don't see. Huh?
Is that it in the water?
I don't think so. No, that's foam. I don't see turkey anywhere. Is there? That fucker went sky high.
No. I found it.
Huh?
I think I found some fucking turkey.
Did it just push it down in there? Oh my God.
This is mush all over
Holy shit.
It's just scattered on the ground over
No.
No, it's just peppered on the ground. You can see on the
Oh yeah, there's turkey chunks everywhere.
peppered over here.
Sure, we're stepping in. Yeah, this cart is no more. Yeah. It is oh, there's a turkey. Fell out. Or the gizzard or something. It stinks. Smells horrible.
Turkey peas.
Getting away from it. That is. I wish I could find it, but I think it disintegrated it. Other than what's left there. Alright, so we're gonna make pumpkin pie now. First we're gonna cook it, then we're gonna mash it. Alright, it's getting nice and cooked right now. We're gonna let that do its thing. We're gonna go over here and get ready for the mashing part. Don't disregard the smoke, it's still fucking around. So, how we're gonna mash it, we're gonna use some high pressure pounder to mash it, right? We're gonna go put this out just so it doesn't burn it too much. Don't want too much of a burnt pumpkin. Well, that doesn't want to go out, so.
Problem.
I think there's still gas on this. Fucking hot. Alright, so here's cooked pumpkin. Now we're gonna go mash it. I don't know where to put it. Right now. Alright. Alright, so I got my nephew.
Did just want me to tell you when I'm ready?
Huh?
Or are you just filming already?
I'm just gonna stand right here, homie. All right.
So you just want me to hold it right on it?
Yeah, keep it centered.
All right.
Oh shit! Pumpkin flew back here.
Did it?
Look, there's pumpkin right there.
Oh my god.
Pumpkin. Piece of pumpkin. You didn't see it flying at us?
No,
And that is how you make pumpkin pie the redneck way. Now, we're gonna make some squashed, what is it? Mashed sweet potato casserole, all right? So what we got here is a Maverick, got some slugs loaded up in it, and over there, zoom in on them, we got some sweet potatoes. We're gonna mash them up with this shotgun here. All right, stop it. Come behind me. Kind of like right here. You ready? All right. Sure don't want to shoot one?
I'm fine.
Missed. There we go. Still some more over there. Missed again. She gone. Blah! There's some sweet potato right there. Earthy.
That one still had some stuff in it.
Huh?
So that one still had some stuff in it.
Did it? We're gonna go for the last of this. We're gonna go some binary. This is I think a full 30 round mag. I'm gonna try to go the whole mag without. Hopefully, it'll cycle through the whole thing. I won't outrun the trigger. Probably gonna run it just a little slow so we can get it all in one go. All right. I have to put it in binary. All right, here we go. That's fucking nuts, ain't it? See if I can go across the line. That's what I was talking about, outrunning that trigger. Got 2 live ones here. Finish those out. All right, that's gonna be it for me today. I will see y'all next time.